It's not that bad.
It's not that bad at all, but...
Just, what the fuck is that? Like a mattress for a
I know,
second.
no, I think it was a window. I think it might have been a window.
I hope a store is open.
We gotta get some ice cream.
I like that no car. Look at that motorcycle's left there. She's gonna blow away.
Oh, shit.
Is it still open?
Some destruction of the city of Queens.
It's the middle of a hurricane and shit, imagine one of the signs just comes off.
Yo, look at that over
Look
there.
at that sign right there. Wow. That guy is straight drunk. Look at that sign. It looks like it's about to fall.
Look over there, yo. Like the building's falling apart. Damn, yo, this is crazy.
I wonder who the hell that's fucking lady is taking it. Oh, I think that that bodega is open. Let me see if the dairy mill is open.
Is the dairy mill open?
Yeah.
It seems so. Why else would the lights be on?
We ain't paying for no meter. 7 o'clock ain't coming around anytime soon.
Shit. Yo, look at that. That's just crazy. No, this is Cross Bay. Like, nobody's on Cross Bay.
Dairy mill time.